welcome back to another video. We are currently inside the Calgary International Airport yet again. Another day in the life, and this time obviously with a new piece of tech, the iPhone 16e. I picked this up yesterday, did a low unboxing, first impressions. Currently inside of Starbucks, getting a little bit of food and caffeine inside my body. Flight to Vancouver boards at 6 and is currently, or leaves at 6, boards at 5:15 and is currently 5:18. So I'm gonna grab my food, do some cinematic footage, and head over to Vancouver. So stay tuned for the video, it'll be a fun day. Vancouver, British Columbia. As you guys can see, flight actually went very smoothly, which was good. No turbulence whatsoever, which was surprising. Landing very smooth, very nice views over the ocean actually. Now what's interesting is that the flight path that the flight took on its previous flights in the previous days didn't actually go over the ocean. So we were really privileged to actually be able to go over the ocean, have a nice turn, perfect time for sunrise over the city as you guys saw on those shots. Let me know what you think about how the iPhone 16e performed in the low light and focus, quality of the video. But just gonna head over into the washroom and then go over to TechRealism's house, see what's up with him and see where the day leads us. We are also going to be going over to Victoria, British Columbia in a few hours, so that's going to be very good. Stay tuned. All right, so just made it outside, and guys, I could actually wear a t-shirt. It's not freezing, it's beautiful outside, it smells fresh. Now currently waiting for the Uber to over to Eric's house. We are getting a Tesla, which is pretty nice. And yeah, just enjoy the day, enjoy the ride over. Catch you guys soon. Currently filming on the 16 Pro Max. Let me know if you guys could tell a difference. Now I need to give you guys a battery update on the iPhone 16e. It is currently at 91% and it is 7:02 a.m. Now we did take lots of videos. Other than that, didn't really use the phone much. So it is draining, but understandably it is a budget iPhone. So we'll see how it holds up for the rest of the day and if we're gonna have to charge it. Alright guys, so currently at A&W grabbing a little bit of breakfast, and then after this I'm thinking of going to go explore Port Moody, which is actually where I lost my drone. So go back and take in some memories of that day. If you guys didn't know that I lost my drone, I actually posted on Instagram. That's where I update you guys in real time of what's going on, so make sure to go follow it at TechRealism it is. So here we are with TechRealism.
You too, was good.
Apparently he's super tired.
Super tired.
He was probably up late editing videos.
Yeah, you could say that.
So right now just heading back to his house and then see where the day leads us. Probably not gonna go to Rocky Point because I have a time sensitive appointment in a few hours, so we're probably gonna head towards that immediately, but I'll catch you guys once I have a better update. And here we are guys at the scheduled time sensitive appointment that I was telling you guys about. We got the rental over here. This is actually a beautiful bright color. I wouldn't say it's my personal favorite, but it's a nice color. We got the Nissan. Right back there, we're just waiting for the ferry. It smells like the sea, and we are going to Victoria. We're gonna go check out the market back here because it is currently 10:13 a.m. and the sailing is until 11 a.m. So we got a lot of time to spare. Nice to be here early, and it's a beautiful day. It's nice, it's sunny. Loving life. iPhone 16e is holding up pretty good. It's at 82%. Use it for some video on the way here and some b-roll footage. So just enjoy the cinematography, and I'll catch you guys once I'm on top of the water. Here we are on top of the ocean. Look at that. Victoria is somewhere down there. We're gonna have an amazing time. Enjoy the beautiful view. Guys, an iPhone is waterproof. Ooh. All right, enough playing with fire because I will actually cry if this phone falls. Been a long time I haven't been on a ferry, so we're gonna enjoy this little sailing and enjoy the cinematography, the views. Maybe we'll see a whale, hopefully. Got some Starbucks at the ferry terminal. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the sailing. I'll catch you guys once we get into Victoria. Right back there is Victoria Swartz Bay Terminal. Very nice ferry ride, very nice day. Honestly, not so windy. So I'm gonna get back into the car before we dock and see where the day leads us. Obviously, I need to go check out Victoria downtown, the Parliament, because surprisingly, Victoria, or BC's capital, is Victoria, not Vancouver. Lots of people don't know that. Maybe go to the Malahat Skywalk. That is actually where I sent my parents for their wedding anniversary, but I've never had the opportunity to check it out. So I'd love to check it out and honestly just have a good time. Butchart Gardens. Butchart Gardens is also a very good place we should go to. Anyways, stay tuned to see what we end up doing. Now, the iPhone 16e has been holding up pretty decently. It is at 78% and it is 12:30 on the first day of March 2025. Hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I'm not sure how it'll turn out. As I say with all my day in the life videos, I just show you guys what I do and how I use the phone within my day. And that's pretty much it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you guys very soon. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, we are currently at the Butchart Gardens. Just made it. The car is right back there. That blue thing sticks out of everywhere, but it is so beautiful. This is my mom's favorite place on earth. Like, she genuinely means it. And I feel bad that she's not here with me. And like, Mom, I know you're watching this, so I'm sorry that you're jealous that I'm here, and I love you, but it is so green. Like, it's crazy to think it's March. Today's the first day that Butchart Gardens opened after the winter season. And honestly, it looks really beautiful. So can't wait to go in there, explore, enjoy, and go get some food. Go to the bay like Victoria later on and just have an enjoyable, restful start of spring. So we'll see how the iPhone 16e holds up in terms of like taking pictures of the gardens and video and so forth. If you guys are liking this video, please make sure to smash that like button, and yeah, I'll see you guys around. I found this water and I thought it would be an appropriate time to test out the waterproof capability of the iPhone. In 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, it's still filming, so it's waterproof, or water resistant as they claim. You appreciate how perfectly trimmed these bushes are? Like, look at this. It's so beautiful. But guys, we just finished touring Butchart Gardens. Hope you guys enjoyed, the photos and videos of it with the iPhone 16e. Let me know in the comment section down below which phone you guys think. Some of the shots I took on the 16e and then on the 16 Pro Max. But enjoying life, beautiful Saturday over here in Victoria, British Columbia. Gonna head down over into the city, get some food, some fish and chips, whatever we could find, and head over up to the Malahat Skywalk, I'm pretty sure. So stay tuned and I'll catch you guys once we get into Victoria, BC, right in front of us. Beautiful hotel. The government buildings are right over here. We got the harbor at the back. Gonna go grab some food and catch you guys later. So enjoy the cinematography of beautiful British Columbia. Guys, just ate at kebab on fire, and let me tell you, it was fire and it was on fire. Big shout out to these guys. If you're on Government Street in Victoria, BC, make sure to check it out. But it is now 4 p.m. The iPhone 16e is sitting at 73% rocking 5G, working pretty good. So now that we've got some energy back into us, also kind of crazy to think that I drank 6 shots of espresso today. I'm running on 6 shots of espresso, gum, and kebab, and it feels great. So we're gonna go visit the government center buildings, go to the base center, and see what a Victoria Mall is like, and I'll catch you guys once we get wherever we're going. Actually some like otter, muskrat, whatever they're called down there. It was like running. There was a dog running like back there, and we saw another one right down here, and I thought it was like a dog that looked like a rat, but turns out it was actually a muskrat, something like that, which is pretty cool. Wow, look at the harbor, like look at this weather. It is absolutely amazing. The iPhone 16e looks really good video wise, separates the background, the color, and so forth.
This guy's videoing me. So I'm gonna stay still so when he goes to look at the video, he thinks it's a picture. Okay, there we go.
That guy back there was doing like some tricks. Kind of cool, kind of corny. He did call me out, so thanks for the shout out to whoever that was. Mr. in the suit walking ropes in Victoria. Yeah, just finished checking out the harbor. Going now to the government buildings that's right in front of me. Now, it's really giving me like Ottawa vibes right now. This feels like the hotel right next to the parliament and just the government street and like the harbor and everything, the vibe, the people. It's really giving Ottawa. I decided to stop by, park the car right over here. We are at the base center, which is Victoria's Mall inside downtown. Go check it out, see what it's like. Could get copyrighted because there's a speaker right there, but you guys are telling me that this mall has a balcony? That's crazy, Victoria. Ow. What are you doing out here? Pretty cool city, not gonna lie. YouTube, what a day it has been with the iPhone 16e. We've got it right here. Now we ended the day with 64% battery. Now it is 10:40 p.m. as you guys can see right there. Now, honestly, I think that the battery usage is very accurate. I use it for videos, photos, and all that sort of stuff. I will say I did not have the 16e connected to Apple CarPlay during my travels, like to use navigation and Bluetooth and those sort of stuff. So considering I only use it for like social media consumption, a few messages here and there, as well as picking up a few phone calls on my dual SIM and taking mostly pictures and videos, battery is pretty good. I do think that by using CarPlay, it would obviously just completely drain the battery. And the reason why I did not use CarPlay is because when I last did it on a non-pro iPhone, I realized that it just was not a realistic day in the life because I'm using it as an average user, but then I'm also putting in pro stuff, and obviously that phone is not made for pro stuff. And so if you're interested in seeing how Apple CarPlay holds up amongst other pro features like photo and video editing, on the go, and the average stuff just like phone calls, social media consumption, make sure to go check out the 16 Pro Day in the Life that's soon coming out if it hasn't already, as well as the 16 Pro Max when that is live. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to smash that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and share it around. It has been Alex from Techrific with an iPhone 16e. Simple day in the life where I brought you guys around my day traveling to Vancouver over to Victoria. I hope you guys found it interesting and entertaining, and if you did, follow me on Instagram. That way I know that you guys are loving this type of content and I'll keep pushing it out. Now tomorrow morning I'm heading over back into Vancouver before I fly to Edmonton at night, unfortunately, but I will be spending a good portion of the day with TechRealism. So I may just do a little vlog in Vancouver, just chilling and seeing what the day brings us, but still thinking about it. So if I do decide to do that, that video is going to be live right over here. Make sure to go watch it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for stopping by. Stay techie.